So today we're going to be talking about LynxLog. LynxLog is free app. You can get it on the GitHub, right? And it's a very specific app for a very specific tiny purpose. You have an MP4, you need a transcription, you want to skip the video maybe, and you want to have ChatGPT summarize it for you, or maybe you want to compound it with something else. It's pretty powerful if you know how to use it. It's a tiny thing with a powerful use. For example, let's say let's install it first. All right, so you press here, click on release it, download it. Super cool. It's big. It's big because it's packing all the Python-based things. I chose that because it's the most locally effective thing I was able to find for this particular purpose. Accessible, super free, super cool. So you just install it. Applications right away, big babu. Open it, LynxLog. It's right there. Download it from the internet. Yes, let's trust it. Alright, it's super simple, just one tiny thing, but doing it right. Alright, so let's say that magically you found an MP4, or maybe Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson sent you the MP4, and you have the MP4, right? You wanna just do something with that. You drag and drop it. It's ready. So let's just transcribe it. First time, subscribe here. First time you run it, here it says, zip it, run it normally. Transcribe the progress bar. See what's up. It's downloading the model. Yes. First time, super fast, blazing speed. It's gonna be a tiny thing, the whisper model. See, that's the only time it's gonna be needing internet. In fact, I'm gonna turn it off to show you that it still works. Turn off the internet, and it's just gonna transcribe. In this case, it's gonna be take some time because come on, it's 50 minutes long. So let's assume that I didn't want to watch the whole podcast and I'm just sending it over to transcribe. No internet, it's gonna just do it. And in a moment, it's gonna be sharing the whole thing. But no spoilers, let it transcribe itself. So when it's done, it's gonna show the transcript. We can have the options and we can continue out with the next video. Now this is so helpful because we can compound it with the other apps. We can compound it with a prompt buddy, with an LLM crate. If you have something dedicated to converting the podcast material into blog posts, or something you want to talk about, a reference point, add it to your sources. Maybe you're doing some sort of research or studying, or there's a course on YouTube and you want to have thing for your notebook LM. This LynxLog, it's perfect for that. You can get your MD, which could be used anywhere for any model. It's really powerful. It's a very powerful thing. We're just gonna let it sit, let it transcribe, and I'll be checking back with you. And that's it. We are ready. You can export it as MD, blah, you got it. Put it on the desktop. But let's try something pretty cool. We got ChatGPT. Once again, it did it without the internet. We have a full transcript right here, and that's as potent as it gets. Free, simple, local based. Free for what LynxLog does. Free, offline, and convert your MP4s into a transcription. That's the component that we care most about. We want to transcribe the Markdown to a little bit of a polish pass, put it to your GPT, fix it for me, correct my Markdown, and then you can get a full polished version. But with this, you are already getting the core sauce. Now you're getting the coal. Now we turn it into diamond, we turn it into polishing, we do it into an effective, usable material. I recommend first doing the polishing before jumping into the conclusions, just so that the ideas can be more structured and organized. But LynxLog is super helpful. I've been using it mostly for the WhatsApp videos that I share to myself, like on Facebook. I share the links to my WhatsApp, and from there I use the WhatsApp bookmarklet to turn those messages into a structured JSON, which I then turn into a CSV, which I then download using my methods, And then when you have the MP4s, you just keep dragging it here. You just put transcribe while you're doing something else, and it does it for free. We kept it simple, we kept it accessible, we kept it for tiny moments where you need a transcription. No signups, no logins, no subscription, no limits. You can do as many as you want. LynxLog is the one for you, for free. You can get it right now. It's available on the GitHub. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you like LynxLog, you find it useful. It's for free. You can try it out, test it out, use it with your videos, use it with your needs, your courses, whatever you need. Tons of possibilities from there. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video, found it useful. If you have any requests, something else, let me know. But LynxLog is there for you. If you want it, check it out for free.